Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I got something special for you. It's my smoked meatloaf. We're going to do it outside. We're going to do it on the Weber. We're going to cook it off heat. Stick around. You're going to love this. Alright, welcome back. So let's go ahead and let's put this meatloaf together right quick. Got a large mixing bowl. First we're going to add 1 pound of ground pork. We're going to add 2 pounds of ground chuck. Mix that up a little bit. Alright, next we're going to add 2 medium onions. And I just run this through a food processor to get it chopped up. And we're going to add 1 can of Rotel. This is mild. You can use hot if you like it a little spicy. And that's drained. Then we're going to add 1 small can of the green chilies. I just like these better than green peppers or bell peppers. Quarter cup of Worcestershire. And then last we're going to use 2 tablespoons of Kinder's The Blend. It's just salt, pepper, and garlic. Alright, well, we're just going to mix it up. You're going to have to get in here and get dirty for this one. I know it looks like a lot of onion, but the onion cooks down so much that by the time we're done smoking this, it's going to be just right. Alright, we're going to set this over here to the side. We'll get aluminum foil out. Just keep following me. And we're going to turn it out. Alright, I'll keep shaping it. So we got it like we want it to look, about the shape we want. We'll go ahead and dust it again with the salt, pepper, and garlic blend. Just like that. Now we're going to wrap it up. We're going to stick it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for probably about an hour while we go ahead and get our smoker ready. Alright, we'll get this in the refrigerator and then I'll meet you back out in the grill. Alright, let's get this thing on the grill. You can take a look at it. Been sitting for about an hour and a half in the refrigerator. That helps it to stiffen up a little bit better so that when you put it on here, it is good to go. I'm just going to slide it off on here. Just like that. I'm going to be using a little bit of Applewood chunks just to get our smoke flavor on. Just pile that right on top of our charcoal. we'll come back and check it, and then we'll put a probe in so we can keep up with our temperature. See you back in an hour. Okay, it has been 1 hour. Let's get a look at this. You can see it's starting to pick up the smoke all around it. Starting to look good. I don't know if we mentioned, but I am using Applewood to smoke this on. So I got mainly charcoal, and I'm using Applewood chips. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. We're having potatoes with this tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those on. Let them cook for the last hour and a half. And we'll go ahead and put in our temperature probe. Get it somewhere right there in the middle. We're going to cover it back up and let it go. Okay, it has been another hour, so that's a total of 2 hours. Let's take a look at it. So we're getting a nice bark on there. That's exactly what we're looking for. We're going to go ahead and put some sauce on it. I'm going to use something I ain't never tried before, but it looked really good and it tastes amazing. It's the Duke's hickory and brown sugar. You normally put brown sugar and ketchup on a meatloaf, so I figured you can't beat this. Whatever you use, you want to definitely make sure it's a nice thick sauce so that it works like a glaze. And we are coming up on temperature. I got this one set to go to 190. It's at 187 right now. So we're going to give this another 30 minutes and we should be there. We're going to pull it off and let it rest. All right. We'll check you back out in 30 minutes. All right, that has been another 30 minutes. So that's a total cook time of 2.5 hours. And take a look at what we got here. Potatoes are, they're nice and soft. They're done. We'll go ahead and pull the probe out. Let's pick up this meatloaf. Get a look at that. Does it look amazing or what? Yeah. All right, let's get it in the house. We're going to let it rest for about another 30 minutes so it can kind of cool down. We did end up going to 190 for an internal temperature. We kept our grill at 250 for the entire cook time. So 2.5 hours at 250, internal temperature 190, and we're done. All right, let's check it out and see what we got right here. Take a look at that bark. That's exactly what we're looking for. You can see how that smoke colored it up and gave that red bark color to it. That's what we're looking for. All right, let's cut into this thing. We've been letting it rest for about 30 minutes. Yeah. Pull it open. That's exactly right. See if I can get it on the plate without it completely falling apart. There we go. All right. Let's get a bite of this and see what we got. That is good. It's not really too smoky from the smoke, but it's just got that perfect flavor to it. And it definitely needs the amount of onions that we put in there. So yeah, I hope you try this and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.